Good morning, children. Today's subject is science. Today we are going to see the lesson number 2, the living world. In last period, we have studied the characteristics of living thing. Okay, different characteristics we have studied. In that, we have seen about the growth, respiration, excretion, reproduction, then responsiveness to stimuli, next movement, a definite lifespan, and a cellular structure. So these all characteristics we have studied in last period. Okay, now just one point remain from this lesson that we have to see today. So which point? So see here. So today we have to see in what way are plants and animals useful to us. Means how the plants and animals help us. That thing we have to study today. So what is the first point? Useful living things. First we have to see how the plants useful to us. Plants are very useful to us in many things. Okay, for food also and for industrial purpose also. Okay, for as a food in a household as well as in a industrial purpose, as plants are useful to us. Now which plants useful to us, that detailed study we have to do today. So see the first point, that is useful plants. Okay, so very most useful is plants is used as a food. Okay, plants is used as a food. See, there are different parts of plants are there, like leaves, roots, again stem, their flowers, fruits. These all parts of plants are used as a food. Okay, it is useful as a food only. Then food grains, wheat, jawar, these also used as a food. Then there is seed also. Okay, fruits of so many different fruits we are eating. Okay, so that is also useful. From fruits we get the different vitamins, proteins, minerals. So these all nutrients we get from the fruits. Then dry fruits also, spices are there, coffee and tea, sugar. These all different things we used as a food. So that is a most useful thing of a plants. Now again there are different uses of plants are also there. See which uses. Plants is also used as a rubber. Okay, means from plants only we can form a rubber. From their sticky substance we get the rubber. Then wood also, from plants only we get the wood. Cotton, fibers. Okay, then perfume also we get from the plants only. Then plants is also useful as a pollution remover. Means as trees are growing, plants are growing, the percentage of the oxygen in atmosphere is increasing and the percentage of the carbon dioxide is decreasing. So that is to remove the pollution. For pollution control also plants are useful to us. Then manure. Manure means what? From waste plant material they prepare the manure, which is again useful for the growth of the plants only. So these also some other uses of plants only. Now there are again so many different plants are there which are used as a medicinal plants. Okay, means their plants are also used for preparing the medicine also. Okay, for example aloe vera. So aloe vera is known as a king of medicinal plants. Okay, it is used for the treatment in constipation, also for digestive distress. Okay, for cosmetic it is used. So this is the useful of plant only. Again tulsi is there. Tulsi is also very important as a medicinal plant. Okay, to control the bacterial growth. Again for cough also, for digestion also, and again for heart disease, for diabetes. tulsi plant is very useful. Nowadays we are facing the problem of corona disease. Yes, so doctor also giving the suggestion to take a tulsi early in the morning. Okay, again there are different plants are also there. Fenugreek is there, coriander leaves are there. These also used as a medicinal plants. Okay, along with that, again hirda, beheda and asparagus, these are also the medicinal plants which is very important. Okay, so this is about the useful plants. Now along with useful, there are some harmful plants are also available. Now which plants are harmful to us, that thing we have to see now. Now see which are the harmful plants. So there are different plants are there which can be harmful to us. For example, the dodder plant, paranthenium and some other weeds which are harmful. Again, calocasia leaves are also causing itching. Okay, these leaves cause the itchiness. Again, next one, datura plants which having the white flower. Yes, datura plants, it is a poisonous plants. Okay, as we touch to that plant, it also cause the itching. Then again different plants are there. For example, oleander, lantana, they have the strong odors, means they have very strong smell. Okay, again fungus is there, algae is there which pollutes the drinking water also. Okay, which pollutes the drinking water. Again insectivorous plants like Venus flytrap, pitcher plants, these are also some harmful plants only. So along with useful, there are different or so many different plants are there which are harmful to us. Now these all over about the plants. Like plants, animal also there, means so many different animals are useful to us and again some animals are harmful to us. So let's see about the animals in a next part.